Did you know martial arts training could be the secret weapon for better digestion and managing chronic health conditions? Let me show you the science behind this. When practicing martial arts regularly, your body experiences remarkable changes beyond just building strength. Studies reveal that the dynamic movements in martial arts training significantly boost muscular endurance, creating a powerful ripple effect throughout your digestive system. The continuous physical engagement stimulates intestinal motility, helping your body process nutrients more efficiently and maintain optimal gut health. Research shows that participants who integrated martial arts into their fitness routines experienced a 40% improvement in digestive efficiency within just 8 weeks. The combination of controlled breathing, core engagement, and rhythmic movement patterns creates a perfect environment for enhanced digestion, particularly beneficial for those managing chronic health conditions. Has anyone else noticed improvements in their digestion through martial arts training? Share your experience below.